How to submit your writing for review to the Smarthinking Online Writing Lab. The Smarthinking Online Writing Lab is designed to assist college students to become stronger writers. Students can submit a paragraph or essay for individualized feedback by expert writing tutors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and in most cases expect feedback within 24 hours. To access the Smarthinking Online Writing Lab, from your My Courses page, scroll down and click on the Smarthinking Online Tutoring link. At the home page, select the option to submit your writing. When you click on the drop-down menu, you will need to select a subject. If you select the Essay Center option, you will be able to submit an essay of up to 10 pages for review by a Smarthinking tutor. If you select the Essay Center 1 hour option, you will be able to submit an essay of 11 to 20 pages. If you have an essay of more than 20 pages, you can break that essay into parts and individually submit each part for review. Whatever subject you choose, click on the link to complete the form. Just fill in your information, upload your writing, and submit your essay to Smarthinking. You will need to access the Smarthinking homepage and check your inbox to access the review of your work. Please allow at least 24 hours to receive feedback.